Okay, hey everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, subscribe. So today I'm just going to give a sneak peek of my live stream. So I'm going to be live streaming today at 11 or 12, or like 10, 11. So, if you were in the USA, it would probably be like 6 o'clock or 7 or 8 or 9. So I would like you to join at that time because it's probably going to be a long live stream. Whenever my computer gets too heated, I'll stop. But that's going to be my live stream today. That's just a sneak peek. And if you want to watch it, go watch it. And it's going to be about a giveaway at 15 subs. But I want you to subscribe on this channel on the live stream because that's what I really need. And then I'll do a giveaway at 190 subs. Bye guys.